Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about find the solution of f number 3. So now I will show you the technique. We put s equal to number 3 in here. So you got about s equal to number 3 in here. 3 minus 1, you got about f of number 2 equal to 3 f of number 3 minus 1 over 3. So we know that f of number 2 equal to number 4. So we change this one into number 4. Four and number 3, they multiply together. You got about 12 equal to 3 f of number 3 minus 1. We put negative number 1 on the left and we divide both sides with number 3, and you got about f of number 3 equals to number 13 divided by 3, and the answer is about C. That's the end. Thank you for watching.